Hi, in this video I will show an app I have created for converting QF file to Excel file. This is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find app I will type in search QF, and QF is like quicken financial information format, and it's used by Quicken apps. So now to convert to Excel, I will use app from this website. So to find app, I'll type QF to Xls, because Xls is old format and I want to use it for Excel files. I click on this page, double click on the download button to start downloading process, and wait until file will be downloaded. Then I will click on Downloaded Archive, click on MSI inside Archive, click on More Info. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see Publisher Unknown, so just click Run anyway. To start installation, click on Next, Install, click on Yes, and click on Finish here. Now I can close this, minimize this, and now I have a shortcut on my desktop. So this MSI installed app on my computer, I have a shortcut on my desktop. I'll double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. On first step I have to select QF file I want to convert, so let's click here to select input files, and I have this sample QF file. I can show it to you what is inside. So I created app that for viewing QF files. I will leave link on this app into description too. It's free app, so I can open with QF viewer, and you can see, accept, and so you can see what is inside of this QF file. So it's date, amount, pay, memo, category, all information from QF files. File is here. I'll just close it. Now I want to select this file, so I'll click Sample, QF, click on Next Step. There is no conversion options yet. If you think of any conversion options, please let me know. I will add it here. So I'll just click Next Step, and on the final step I'll just click Run to start conversion. And here I have to specify name of Excel file and location. This name is location is okay. I'll just click Save, and file has been saved. Let's go and open this file. Yeah, it will be here. Double click. I don't have Excel, it's just free Excel viewer, but it shows what is inside. Yeah, so we see all date, amount, pay, category, everything from QF file has been converted into nice Excel table with all data in it. So if you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.